Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome to YS Online. My name is Dice and I'm your host for today, coming to you from the Suzuki Nihongo Learning Center in Quezon City, the Philippines. In our previous lesson, pinag-aralan natin ang sentence pattern, place ni, noun ga, arimasu or imasu, to talk about where something or someone is. This time naman, papalitan natin yung sentence ng konti. Gagawin natin siyang place de, noun, ga, arimasu. In this sentence naman, ang noun natin ay magiging activity, katulad ng meetings, concerts, or other gatherings. Let's say may party tayo sa bahay. So, in English, ang sentence natin ay magiging there's a party in the house. And in Japanese, we would say uchi de party ga arimasu. Shh, don't tell anyone. You're invited. Okay, so here in this sentence, nakikita natin sa imbes na place ni, ginagamit natin ang place de. Why? Remember, it's place ni pag may object or person, pero place de pag may nangyayari sa lugar. In this case, may party na nangyayari sa bahay, kaya siya uchi de party ga arimasu. So, bigyan ko kayo ng isa pang example. Nasa labas tayo ng Araneta Coliseum at may naririnig tayong ingay. Bakit kamo? Kasi may naglalaro ngayon. So, sasabihin natin na there's a game in the stadium. In Japanese, that would be stadium de shiai ga arimasu. Stadium is stadium and game is shiai. So, here an action is taking place. So, we have our place de sentence structure. Alright, so, kayo naman. Let's make these sentences using our place de activity ga arimasu sentence pattern. Isulat natin ang mga sagot natin in the comment section below. So, minasan, doko de nani ga arimasu ka? That's it for today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe para ma-notify tayo pag may bago tayong video na lumalabas. For YSNLC, my name is Dice. Ja, mata ne!